Welcome, and today I'm going to show you how to use masking in Lightroom to do some localized adjustments in a very quick and easy way. Now, I've done my raw adjustments to the image as a whole to get the look that I want, which is desaturating the skin a little bit, making the image cooler generally. I want the whites to look really white. But I've got this hand here at the end that's looking a little bit blue and lifeless. So I need to adjust that. And I'd also like to pull out the detail in the headdress. So I'm going to do this in several ways. First of all, I'm going to select the headdress, and I'm going to do that by using the new object selection tool. This is a super cool, quick way to make a selection and look at that, amazing, like magic. Now we just click the mask and we can make the adjustments we want to, which in this case is simply to increase the clarity and texture and bring down the highlights, bring up the whites slightly to keep them looking nice and bright. And then we can see, if I turn off that mask, on and off, you can see how that's really brought out the detail of the raw file. Remember, we're still in the raw file. Now, I just want to select the skin of her hand, but I don't want to select the background as well. I want to make a nice, neat selection of just the area that's on her hand and brush it onto only that area. How do I do that? Well, I go into the mask, create a new mask, click Select People, select the person, click Body Skin, create mask. Now I'm going to click the Option or Alt key to intersect. You see how clicking that button turns that into intersect? And I'm going to click brush, and then I'm going to just brush on. Now, if we show the overlay, you can see, like magic, that's what that's done. Now I've actually brushed on to an area that I didn't really want to. So I'm going to click subtract, brush, and then brush off where I want to it. So now I've got a nice clean selection of the hand, and then it fades down the wrist. So I'm going to make sure that that mask is selected, and I'm going to just increase the warmth and lower the blacks a little bit to keep that contrast there, and just brighten up overall. So there you have it. That's without, and that's with. Without, with. So now I've got most of that color correction for the hand done, and I can just take it into Photoshop. If you found that useful, subscribe to the channel, give us a comment, and go and check out sarahavens.live, where I have lots and lots of full-length retouching tutorials. See you soon.